This might be the fastest growing AI niche on social media right now. Satisfying hand-carved wooden car videos. And brand new pages posting them are blowing up at a speed that honestly shouldn't be possible. One account, Woody Car Lab, gained over 16,000 followers in just 5 days, with 9 posts. And the reason people can't look away is simple. Every video is a full transformation. A rough block of wood slowly becoming a detailed, finished car. It scratches the same itch as watching a craftsman work, except no craftsman exists. In this tutorial, I'm showing you how to recreate this exact style from scratch with free AI tools. I've already built a prompt that automates the entire workflow. You could realistically produce multiple videos every single day without paying for anything. And here's what makes this niche special. One video works everywhere. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, same clip, 3 platforms, triple the reach. And because each video shows a complete original creation process, this isn't just viral filler. It's the kind of content you can build and monetize a faceless page around. I'll show you how to pick your car, generate the full transformation, download it, and get it ready for all 3 platforms. And stay till the end. I'll show you how to get my exact prompt completely free. Quick favor before we start, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you catch the next profitable AI trend before the crowd does. All right, let's build. Now grab the Google document with my master prompt. I'll tell you exactly how to get it at the end. When you open it, copy the entire prompt. Every section matters, so don't miss a single line. First, you need a chatbot. Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, any of them work. I'm using Claude. Ask it for car ideas for your videos. And this is where my prompt already did the heavy lifting, because look at the list it gave me. A McLaren P1, a 1969 Dodge Charger RT, a Nissan Skyline GT RR34, a classic Land Rover Defender 110, a Rolls-Royce Phantom, even a Citroën DS. Keep that list open. We'll be pulling from it in a minute. Next, open Google Flow and click New Project. And here's the good news before we touch anything. Flow hands you 50 free credits refreshed every single day, enough for around 3 videos a day in this niche. 3 videos a day, 7 days a week, $0. That's a real posting schedule. Now, before anything, let's adjust the settings and get these right because they decide everything. Video mode, selected. Aspect ratio, 9:16 because we're making vertical short form. Output, 1. We only need 1 result. Video model, Omni Flash. Duration, 10 seconds. You can drop to 8, 6, or 4 seconds if you want shorter clips. Now we are done with the settings. Go back to your car list, pick one, and drop it in. Brand, model, and a color. I'm starting with a red McLaren P1. Paste in the full prompt you copied from Claude. If it says queued, don't panic. Your video is already in line. The platform's just busy. Generation usually takes around 10 to 20 seconds. And there it is. Watch this. It starts as raw wood. The shape of the car gets carved out. The surface gets smoothed. The tires go on. The paint gets applied. And it ends with a finished car sitting on the road. The complete transformation, start to finish. Now watch how fast round 2 goes. Grab your next car from the list. This time, Nissan Skyline GT RR34. Enter your desired color and hit send. Get the prompt, head to Google Flow, paste the prompt, and generate. Queued, processing, done. Another clean transformation. Completely different car, same satisfying result. Download your videos and post them on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. It's the same vertical format, so there's 0 extra work. Now, the master prompt. The exact one that powers this whole workflow. To get yours completely free, here's how to get it. Subscribe, like the video, then drop the word car in the comments, and I'll send the full prompt straight to you. I'll be sharing more workflows like this one, so make sure those notifications are on. See you in the next one.